Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are good, well. Okay, so in value education we are going to see the third story, that is the sincere man's promise. Okay, this is the authentic story about the two friends. One day, one young man, he said to his good friend that I can see that you are going to become a good friend, you are going to become a great and rich man one day. So the other friend said, oh really? So I can also see that yes, really I am going to become a rich man one day. So the first boy said that it is written on your forehead, so I can say that you are going to become a rich man. So the second one said, okay, suppose if I become a rich man now, so for that what I am going to do, I will give you 10,000 rupees. So the first man said that okay, so do you promise that you are going to give me the 10,000 rupees? So the first friend said yes, you can write it down also. So the second one, he was ready to write it down on the piece of the paper that if he is going to become the rich, he is going to give 10,000 rupees to his friend, and he signed also. So the young man, he has preserved that note, and he have never looked his friend. And after so many days, they thought that it is a part of the joke, but he preserved that letter for so many years. After 10 to 12 years, what happened? That other man, the second person, he become rich and he become great. And over the year, the both of the friends, they have apart, they never meet each other, they never talked also. So but still that the person who preserved that note, that his friend is going to give him the 10,000 rupees, he thought he is a joke, but he has preserved that things for long time. Okay, so after some time, what happened, that one man, the poor man, he became very poor, and he fell serious ill also, and his life was also not good. Even he was not having the sufficient money also. Okay, so on the last day of his life, he called his son. And his son was approximately 7 to 8 year old. He called him, son, please come and bring one box which is inside the cupboard. Okay, and I kept something in that, please bring me that box. So the son thought that okay, maybe my father is not well and father was going to die, so he did not want to bring anything. But his father said that no, something precious thing is there over there, so please bring that box. But the father instead, and the son went and he brought the box to him. Then the father said that when I die, immediately the little boy and his mother started crying when they have heard that his father is telling that whenever he is going to die. But his father said, please listen to me, whenever I will die, after my die, you take this letter to my friend, and you can ask the help from him. Okay, so the time goes, and the wife and the son, they have seen that paper, and they were very surprised after seeing that paper, that on the piece of the paper it was written that he is going to give him the 10,000 rupees. Soon the father died, and the friendship is such that the rich man, who was once his best friend, he didn't came to know also that his friend has left this world. Okay, so after 3 or 4 weeks, his son took that note to the rich man, and their servant and employee they were not giving the permission to go inside. But after seeing that, they felt that okay, this boy is very innocent, so they gave him the permission, and they have met to that rich man. And finally he entered, and he met that rich man, and he has shown the letter which his father has given him at the time of the death. So the rich man was very surprised, and he thought that yes, I promised this thing to my friend. Okay, and after and forgotten that yes, something this kind of the thing also he has promised. So it is his responsibility. So he said, he asked his manager that you calculate that what is the interest, because I promised my friend that whenever I'm going to become rich and great, I'm going to give him 10,000 rupees. So after 7 years he came, so please calculate the total money, that how much interest he should get it. So the interest of 10,000 rupees was 7,000. So he has signed a check. He signed a check of 17,000 rupees and he has given to that little boy, and he said that directly you give it to your mother, don't do anything else. And in this way he kept the promise. So you can say that this is the sincerity. So what we have learned from this chapter, we have learned this chapter that in this way you can also keep the sincerity. Okay, see, now everything is going online, so you should be sincere when you are learning, when you are studying. Okay, if everything is going online, you should be sincere about your studies. You have to promise yourself, or if you are doing promise, if you are giving promise to your parents, to your teacher, to your parents, then you have to keep that promise, and you have to be sincere about your promise. This is all about your chapter. Okay, thank you, bye bye, have a nice day.